Welcome back with another banger. Who made money using my strategy? Type it in the comments section. Let's get into the video. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, my question is, are you tired of living paycheck to check? Are you tired of working overtime and most of it is taxes? Are you tired of living the lifestyle that you don't belong in? Well, I'm here to share with you how to make passive income through the stock market in dividend investing. You're going to be like, I ain't got no money today. You have to have thousands to... No, you don't have to have thousands to invest. And actually, I'm going to share with you how this dividend strategy is working. We're going to use this account called SoFi. What you want to do is, this steps, I'm getting straight into it. You want to download SoFi. Link is in the description. And if you download it, and you sign up with SoFi, I get a small commission. It's a blessing, but you will receive let me take that back. You'll receive over 3.75% once you sign up. And once you sign up, you're going to hit the invest button and it'll allow you to get into this, to buy stocks. And these stocks that I'm about to share with you, it will bring you passive income no matter which way the market goes. The market goes down, you still winning. The market goes up, you're still winning. The market goes sideways, you're still collecting income. And I'm going to share with you step by step. After you download SoFi, you want to hit the Invest tab and answer a few questions. And after you hit the Invest tab, you're going to type in this stock. I'm going to give you one stock right here. This stock you can live off of. This one stock right here. You can literally change your life just by this one stock. If you don't know anything about investing, you could do fractional shares, which is if you have $5, you could put in $5 in this stock and start making residual income. And here go. I just started off with one or two stocks right here, and these stocks right here. And look, I'm making passive income. I know it's $1.39, it's $1.50 or dollar, blah, 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 but it's going to continue to go up. And I only got like one or two stocks in here. So imagine if I was to put 10 stocks in here. Imagine if I was to put 20 stocks or even 100 or even 2,000 stocks. It will financially pay you financially for the rest of your life. You can even pass this strategy to your kids. And it's called dividend investing. I want you to look it up, do your own research. You will thank me later. And once you get into dividend investing, don't worry about the stock market. Don't worry about number 47. Don't worry about the tariffs, all this mess. Don't worry about that because you will still get passive income. It's going to say you received this in dividends. You received this in dividends. And it's going to still come to you. And you're going to still receive it no matter what. Now, if the stock market goes down, here's a tip. Buy more. Buy into the dip. Buy more. And if it goes up, if you feel like selling like 50 shares because you got almost 1,000 shares just to pay a car note or pay off your car, you can do so because the stock is up like 10, 15, whatever the percentage is up. So you're winning right there. And if the stock does this, it don't matter. You will still receive dividends. And while you're receiving all of this income, your money right here in SoFi is still building. You can either take out from the dividends and put into your SoFi account, into your SoFi savings, and let it compound interest build up. This is how you diversify your portfolio. I'm telling you and sharing with you the 1 to 3% millionaires and billionaires that's doing this strategy, what I just told you. And it's simple and easy. You don't have to know about the stock market. You could be skeptical. Once you get into it and you start receiving income, you're going to get the motivation to buy more. You're going to get the motivation to say, I am actually receiving income by doing nothing. All you're doing is opening up your SoFi, looking at your dividend payouts. That's it, and receiving. You are a automatic ATM machine. And that's what's going to happen in this dividend investing. Just keep collecting, keep building. I have not put no money into these stocks right here with these shares, and it started off with 90 cents and now I'm up over $1. Next week I'm gonna be over $2, then $3, and then it's gonna turn into $30, and then it's going to turn into $300, and then I'm gonna start putting more shares back and more shares back and start reinvesting into it until I say, man, I can retire from my business that I'm happy with. Do I want to retire from my business? No, I absolutely love my landscaping and construction business. I want to be able to be stable. If I was to sell my business, I'll be stable. I'll be well off, and that's my goal. And I'm sharing with you this strategy right here. You can apply it, or you can take it or leave it. Do whatever you want. I'm just using the gifts that God told me to share with you. And these stocks right here is going to make you a ton of money. Just hold long term. If you could sell a few, don't sell them all. Hold long term, and you will see the growth in your financial lifestyle. You will see the growth. And while you at it, before I get off here, I was dabbling into trading shares, not options, but trading shares. And here go a snippet of what I made by trading shares right here. And I'm just doing it little by little. I'm steady building little by little. The banks don't even offer this stuff. And I'm not gambling. To me, I feel that God has placed it in my heart to trade shares, to invest, because I'm an investor. I invested in my business to start my business. So I invested into other businesses in the stock market and taking out my profit. That's it. It's nothing it's harmless. It's not. Now, if you going in and you thinking about growing rich, sorry, this is not the strategy for you. If you're thinking about getting rich really quick, this is not for you. This is for somebody who wants to build a portfolio over time. You could do it in a short period of time with what I'm just showing with you right there, that I just showed with you by trading shares. Buy some Coca-Cola shares. Buy some shares that's high volatile, that's going to go up and then sell. And then when it drops, go back in it again. Simple. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to go bonkers. Just start taking off the money tree. Just start picking off the money tree. And then in the next 10 years, you will be able to retire comfortably. You will be able to go to that cruise you want. You'll be able to do everything on your bucket list you want with these strategies that I just shared with you. And that's it. That's it. Simple. Rinse and repeat. God bless you. I will share with you another strategy. A different stock that you can use to collect dividends tomorrow. I love you guys, and thank you for joining my video and liking it and subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.